गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे फ्रॉम 9 to 10 जो क्लासेस आपकी चलती है मेजर क्लास की क्लासेस में फॉर द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ जीडी इन लेक्चरेट। जीडी प्लेज अ वाइटल रोल इन योर प्रिपरेशन क्योंकि आपके जीडीओ का जो पहला टास्क होता है वो दैट इज जीडी। इसमें आपके 2 ग्रुप डिस्कशंस कंडक्ट कराए जाते हैं। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आपकी लेक्चरेट की प्रैक्टिस भी यहाँ पे होती है, दैट इज ऑल्सो जीडीओ टास्क। एंड अबव ऑल इसके अलावा जब आप स्क्रीनिंग करने जाते हैं ऑन दैट डे टू यू हैव टू कंडक्ट अ जीडी जिनमें आपको एक कॉमन स्टोरी पे आना होता है। एंड और उसके अलावा जो आपका जीपीई होता है ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज, उसमें भी आपको एक जीडी करनी होती है। फॉर दैट यू हैव टू कंक्लूड इनटू अ कॉमन प्लान। सो जीडी का काफी इंपॉर्टेंस हो जाता है, जीडी की प्रैक्टिस काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है आपकी पूरे सिलेक्शन के लिए। फ्यू थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड, दिस इज अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन नॉट अ डिबेट। सो आपको पोलाइटली अपने पॉइंट्स को रखने सबके सामने, मेक प्रॉपर आई कॉन्टैक्ट एंड आपका सिटिंग पोस्चर वाइल स्पीकिंग एज वेल एज वाइल लिसनिंग टू अदर्स प्लान। आपको जब सुनते टाइम और बोलते टाइम दोनों टाइम ही अपने ग्रुप बॉडी पोस्चर को बहुत ध्यान से देखना है क्योंकि बॉडी पोस्चर आपके कम्युनिकेशन का 93% मैटर करता है। क्लियर? एनी डाउट? सो फॉर द टास्क ऑफ ग्रुप डिस्कशन, द फर्स्ट टास्क आपका जीडीओ का होगा, उसमें आपको 2 टॉपिक का ऑप्शन दिया जाता है। देयर विल बी 2 जीडी कंडक्टेड। फॉर द फर्स्ट जीडी 2 टॉपिक आपको बताए जाएंगे। अमंग दोस 2 टॉपिक्स यू हैव टू चूज वन। एंड फॉर द सेकंड जीडी आपके पास ऑप्शन नहीं होता है, द जीटीओ विल गिव 1 टॉपिक टू यू एंड यू हैव टू डू अ जीडी ऑन दैट। Clear?
Yes, sir.
So we'll be doing 1 GD right now.
Yes, sir.
So the topic for today's discussion is who is responsible for crime against women? Who is responsible for crime against women? First, Western culture, rural thinking, or weak laws. Is the topic clear?
Yes, sir.
And the second topic is what plays crucial role between Indo-China relations? What plays crucial role between Indo-China relations? First, economic participation. Second, defense standoffs. Or third, political and ethnic aspects. Are the topics clear?
Yes, sir.
So discuss among yourself which topic do you want for GD?
Gentlemen, I think we will be more comfortable with women.
We should say about women's.
Women is we will be more comfortable in that, and I think we all have a good knowledge about women empowerment or something.
Okay, so let's take women empowerment as our topic.
Yes.
Yes, sir. We would like to have a deep.
Okay, so you have decided for the women empowerment topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the topic you have chosen is who is responsible for crime against women? And the subleads are first, Western culture. Second, rural thinking. And the third, weak laws. Is the topic clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As you are all sanitized and you are maintaining proper social distancing, so you can remove your mask now. So 2 minutes are given for brainstorming your ideas. Think about your points and recollect all the points in your organized manner in your brain. And then we'll start the discussion. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Start your GD.
Gentlemen, as per my opinion, the Western culture is the main reason for diluting the women's crime. If we are seeing in the Asian time, the women are given all the rights, and they were given all the
Gentlemen, I
rights.
partially agree with just number 77 that Western culture I think is not a major reason. The rural thinking is a major reason as India is a very cultural nation, and since ancient times the majority of India's part is rural area where women are not being given equal Our societies are morally educated. They are educated, but they are not morally educated. That's why the crime against because of lack of education and etc. People have a very ugly mindset in rural areas, but they do not promote
that in previous times also we have seen that the women were in culture, India being a rural country, also women were empowered and they were coming ahead. Like we have various example like Rani Lakshmibai and other example. And also talking about the crime, the Khajuraho temple in India was primarily focused on equalizing. It was mainly focused on sex education and other things. So this means that the
I agree. Like in rural areas, people used to think that initially a father thinks that a girl is his property. After that, a brother thinks, and allegedly at last, husband thinks that a girl is his property. We have a lot of good laws.
Example of that, Mirabai Chanu, which belong to the rural area, and she brings given more rights for the India.
I partially agree with Jack. We can see that girl from a rural area is being given exposure. She can do extremely good. So that is we want to tackle that giving exposure to.
That only brings the things debate our own culture. So
I partially Western laws can never be such a development. It's all about our mindset that if we have a ugly mindset that doesn't matter, we have Western culture. People are women are now very aware about their rights. And we are satisfied about their rights. That we are
in rural areas is lies in the mindset of people. If girl is wearing the western dress, that not means that
exactly. I used to be suffocated for the after the introduction of Western culture, but the system was completely abolished, which gives them freedom and exposure to the media.
As this impact on the Western culture approach to India, and that's why exactly.
That was the main reason that was the women's side. My point is that most of the people, 70% of the people live in a rural area, and they have a very orthodox mindset.
Exactly. It's all about mindset. If we don't have a good mindset, doesn't matter how much we are being educated, doesn't matter how much we are given good law.
But there is also lack of education. If we teach a mother or educated mother, they can really change the whole generation.
This is if we are seeing that in the Haryana provisions, the girls are used to coming and taking participation in the sports like facility. For an example, that the Deepa Karmakar, and also in the fencing, the India represent the first time. She was a girl, that the Bhavani Devi.
Yes, this is what I want to say.
And
That
she
if a
was
girl
from rural area.
from rural area is being given exposure, she can do extremely well. So this is the thing we want to say. The mindset of women was good.
Just cannot reach on the time.
The
some only there are some instances like in UPSC, the example is also
Woman is beating a boy and that was not good.
And the male population.
I agree with number 87 that a woman from the age 10 to wonder if they get a proper
Exactly. And also there is a fact that in rural areas most of the cases are not being well exposed because of lack of media and lack of social.
I agree with
And
Chester.
the data is not
in rural areas are not being reported to police because of the fear of police and other
In India, then definitely we will give the chance
But
to gentlemen to come forward and show their
I
potential.
partially disagree with just number 77 because if completely removing Western culture is not a complete solution because Western culture also gives a lot of exposure. We have seen a lot of women from India have because of Western culture have shown their talent and showcased their talent and they have moved
I agree with number 87 there is all about mindset in rural area. Even the educated person thinks that only boy can move the generation forward, but never thinks that a woman can change the generation.
There we can see that the women are facing a problem and due to the Western culture. So
Gentleman, I partially agree with just number 77. It was a survey, according to a survey, it was said that in USA, more males rape cases were filed in comparison to female cases. So we cannot completely blame them.
And also the Western culture
Prove to be a vital
Exactly.
solution.
Our Western culture and position of Western culture have a little bit flaws, but after amending it and with a good laws and initially changing with the rural mindset of people, it would be easily able to tackle all the problems. And
he is also come forward due to this the Western culture also and the
I want to add that at the earlier time before the coming of Western culture, there was many priest tax influences in Kerala, like Kerala state.
Yeah.
The women with SC background, they have
Yes,
SC background, they have to pay a base tax for
Covering their base.
for covering their bed.
Exactly. I would like to put some point like in the last year we have seen a news.
Okay,
of
stop your discussion. Stop. Chest number 108,
Yes, sir.
chest number 66, and chest number 178 and 180.
yes sir.
आपकी परफॉर्मेंस पहले से बेटर हुई है, बट यू स्टिल नीड टू वर्क मोर ऑन योर पार्टिसिपेशन एंड फ्लुएंसी. ओके, चेस्ट नंबर 87,
Yes, sir.
95, चेस्ट नंबर 77
Yes sir.
and चेस्ट नंबर 75. आपके पॉइंट्स काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग थे, बट यू नीड टू वर्क मोर ऑन योर टीम वर्क.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
कल्टिवेट द लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज.
Yes, sir.
औरों को मौका दीजिए. दैट्स हाउ यू बिकम अ लीडर. ठीक है.
Yes sir.
चेस्ट नंबर 187,
Sir.
187 एंड चेस्ट नंबर 174. आपका पार्टिसिपेशन पॉइंट्स पे था, पॉइंट्स अच्छे थे, बट पार्टिसिपेशन थोड़ा सा इंप्रूव करने की जरूरत है. बाकी रेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस वाज गुड. ओके, सो इन हियर इन योर क्लासेस यू विल गेट प्रॉपर एनालिसिस ऑन अ डे टू डे बेसिस. सो दिस इज हाउ यू ट्रैक योर प्रोग्रेस. जो वीक पॉइंट्स आपको बताए जाते हैं यहाँ पे, वर्क ऑन दैट. जो प्रॉब्लम्स आपको दिख रही है, कीप वर्किंग ऑन दैट. दैट्स हाउ यू बिकम द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ योरसेल्फ, एंड दैट्स व्हाट एसएसबी आस्क्स फॉर. ओके, एनी डाउट्स?
No, sir.
Any problems that you are facing? Okay, thank you.
अपने देश सेवा के सपने को पूरा करने के लिए हो जाइए तैयार, क्योंकि मेजर कलसी क्लासेस लौट आया है अपने ऑफलाइन क्लासरूम प्रोग्राम के साथ, जहां आपको मिलेगा एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टी की गाइडेंस, डाउट काउंटर फैसिलिटी, स्पेशल करंट अफेयर सेशन, फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग और मंथली यूनिट टेस्ट के साथ साथ बेस्ट स्टडी मटेरियल. अपने वर्दी के सपने को कीजिए साकार मेजर कलसी क्लासेस के साथ. आज ही एडमिशन लें और पाएं 2000 का कैशबैक डायरेक्ट एडमिशन लेने पर. और अधिक जानकारी के लिए हमें कॉल करें 9696330033 पर और विजिट करें www.majorkalsiclasses.com पर.